Hey everyone, this is just going to be a quick unboxing of the GAO Studio Rifle 5. Get the box here. Apologies, I'm new to the fidgeting world. I don't have like a dedicated space for this, so this is just my desk for work. Feel free to make any sort of cable management jokes that you would like in the comments. Also, this is not like I'm not starting a channel. I'm new to the fidgeting world, so I thought this would be cool for people who may or may not want to think about picking this up. I purchased, here's the box that it came in. I actually haven't opened this up yet, but I did purchase it from G1. They were awesome. Shout out to G1. They were able to get this to me from mainland China. I'm in the mid-Atlantic on the east coast of the US in about a week and a half, which I thought was pretty awesome. So, yeah, so without further ado, let's open this up. Okay. There's a handy dandy little case here. I'm also not a big knife guy, so bear with me for a sec. I have a pen. That doesn't work as well as a knife. Good Lord. There we go. Okay. Oh, so we see GAO Studio, EDC Toys, Fidgets. This thing is on there. God. I don't want to just like rip this. There we go. Wow. Well done. All right. So now, oh, actually turn it the right way. That would be awesome. All right, GAO Studio. And so what comes with this? Obviously we have our sealed fidget, and it has an Allen wrench with it. Oh, that's cool. They give you a little lanyard and some additional tools. It looks like we've got a some springs and another Allen key and some plastic pieces, and it looks like a magnet here as well as this looks like a ratcheting sort of piece of plastic. So I'll put that there. They also sent along some, oh, I guess this is like a certificate of authenticity, although it does look like just kind of a QA card. And oops. We also have various stickers, it looks like. It seems to be kind of common. Even though I am new to fidgeting, I did pick up a couple of Lauti pieces, and they have some very similar kind of stuff here. Okay. Very cool. Sorry, I should probably show that to you guys. Okay, and then this GAO Studio very cool. Okay, all right. Actually, I do think I will need something sharp to open this, so I'm going to pause the video for a second. Okay, sorry, back without further ado here. So this is actually sealed. Again, not really a knife guy, so I have a box cutter. Sue me. All right. So this is the Rifle 5. You can see that the top part here is metal, and then the bottom part here is plastic. There are, obviously you've got your lanyard holder here, or loop I should say, and then you also have the space for tritium tubes, which I did purchase from G1. That is what's in here. Obviously I'm not going to be able to put those in tonight, but again, some free advertising for G1. Thanks again, that was awesome. So this is what the, I got 2 green tritium tubes, and that's the packaging that they arrived in here. You can see them here inside this protective case, and it's also looks like it's bagged up as well. So great. Once I get the actual glue, I'll be able to place them in here. All right, so let's see. The video that I saw looks like this toy does benefit from having a lanyard to hold onto while you play around with it. And as you can just hear there, was some nice ratcheting. And then pull this back. Well, there we go. So, not being a huge gun guy either, I do find it kind of funny, though, that this is called the rifle, and this is very clearly a slide mechanism that would be more at home on like a Glock handgun than a actual rifle. But whatever, this is pretty cool. So if you lock it, it does have another, if you pull it back harder, it does sort of lock out. And then you can push it in that way. So it also says reload. I don't know if that's, yeah, there we go. And there we go. So yeah, this is the Rifle 5. Looks like it's gonna be pretty fun. I do like this little action right here. And I do like some of the clicking that you can do with it as well. For something fairly simple, this seems to be pretty fun. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to actually have a review for this, but I did want to show it to you guys just in case you were interested in checking it out. I think this retails for about $70 US. Yeah, so hope this video was beneficial, and if you want to, I was going to say pull the trigger, but if you want to purchase this, definitely give it a whirl, G1, and thanks a lot for your time, guys. Bye.